Magandang hapon po, Finance Secretary Frederick Go, ARTA Secretary Ernesto Perez, to our former commissioners who joined us this afternoon, Commissioner Kim Henares, Commissioner Billy Dulay, Commissioner Lilia Guillermo. Maraming salamat po. To our partners from the Department of Finance, my fellow BIR officials, our distinguished guests, leaders of industry, taxpayers, stakeholders, thank you for being with us this afternoon. Today, we launch our 2026 National Tax Campaign. And this campaign demonstrates the bureau we are building. A bureau that moves with urgency, acts with integrity, and follows through on its commitments. Our honored guests, this kickoff sets the tone for the months ahead as we build momentum toward the April filing season. From here at the PICC, we shall bring the campaign across the country through clustered kickoffs in North Luzon, South Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, meeting taxpayers where they are and supporting them in complying with confidence. We are not here today to solely give instruction to our tax collectors. We are here mainly to offer assurance to our taxpayers. We are assembled here to make a collective vow to extend great, faster, and honest service to you, our taxpayers. Because BIR goals should not be expressed in BESF numbers alone. It should also be paired with client satisfaction. No matter how high the target or how hard the work, we should not lose sight of the fact that how we treat the public is as important as the bottom line, as the money we remit to the Treasury. Because when the government serves well, compliance becomes easier. Our message is clear. Comply correctly, file on time, pay what is due, and when you do, the nation moves forward. In return, the BIR commits to service excellence with integrity and professionalism, with improvements you can measure and a difference you can truly experience. This is our commitment to you, and to deliver on this promise, we align the entire Bureau behind a unified reform agenda. The BIR DARES. D for digital and data transformation, A for audit reform and accountability, R for revenue collection and base protection, E for employee empowerment and welfare promotion, and S for service excellence and stakeholder engagement. This is now our operating framework. It advances the economic reform direction of the Department of Finance and the Marcos administration's broader development agenda. Hindi po skin deep lamang ang reformang ginagawa because times call for systemic reforms and not cosmetic changes. And BIR can only move forward if it is powered by reforms. This is a work in progress. Theirs is not a fad or a passing fancy, because the search for efficiency should never end, and it should not be done by us alone. We are honored today by the presence of the Secretary of Finance, Frederick Go, who helps steer this reform effort. Secretary, thank you, sir, for your guidance and your firm support for BIR reforms. You have made it clear that the government must work better for taxpayers and investors. Work on the ease of doing business continues. Our efforts to improve the ease of paying taxes move forward. But now, we go further. Since we make registration simple when starting a business and tax compliance fair and predictable while businesses operate, then the BIR must be efficient and streamlined when enterprises close. And this is exactly what we will deliver. We are now moving to streamline requirements for the ease of closing business. We will pursue this with urgency because a modern revenue agency must support taxpayers throughout the life cycle of the enterprise. This is how the BIR rebuilds trust. And with the cooperation of taxpayers and stakeholders, reforms like this move faster. Aligned with the vision of His Excellency Ferdinand Marcos Jr. for a bagong Pilipinas, the BIR dares to build a tax system that is modern, reliable, and worthy of the Filipino people's trust. The government will do its part. We will make compliance easier. We will make the rules clearer. We will make our services better. And we will listen to you because we need your feedback. Because at the BIR, excellent service must always be the true equivalent of your tax. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang BIR at mabuhay ang ating 2026 National Tax Campaign.